Hi, friends. It's a beautiful day at Crooked Little Studio today. I am so excited to announce that Crooked Little Studio's Lots of Layers online course is now available. Watch to the end if you'd like to see how you can have an opportunity to win free access to the course. This is a self-paced course with lifetime access. You will receive digital files of the mask and stencils used in this course so you can cut your own, along with suggestions on how to cut them yourself if you don't have a cutting machine. You will have access to a private Facebook page where you can ask me questions and get feedback from me and the other participants. You will see my process in real time with overhead views of my work table. There are 8 hours of video in this course. I will take you through 5 different print sessions, each with its own set of colors. You will even gain the confidence you need to work with random colors. I build up multiple layers on each print, and you will experience the delightful surprises that this process brings. And you will also watch me struggle as I work to resolve prints that at first seem like failures. If you are watching on YouTube, the link to the course is in the description. If you're watching on Instagram, you will find it in my profile. If you're watching on Facebook, the link will be in the comments. You will have a chance to win free access to this course, but you must act quickly. The giveaway ends Wednesday, February 22nd at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. On both my Crooked Little Studio Facebook and Instagram pages, you will find my February 16th post that has all the details. Please make sure you follow all the instructions. I will randomly choose one winner from each platform, possibly 2 on Instagram if the instructions are followed. I invite you to come create with me and get wrapped up in this wonderful process of printing on a gel plate. Thank you.